All right, day number 27 of pulling the mini sled around my park for 1.5 miles with 45 pounds. I've got the whole family here today. Let's go. All right, we're on the home stretch, almost done. All right, guys, so finished day number 27 in 44 minutes and 40 seconds. So a little bit slower, quite a bit slower than what I've been doing. But I have been contemplating on whether I should go up in weight because it's getting easier, or if I should start dieting. So I chose to start dieting today. So of course, I think my energy is going to be a little bit lower for the next few days, but whatever, it is what it is. That's all I got. I'll see you tomorrow. Go do something hard today. Bye.